Hi, baby. You're okay. Yeah. Mama's girl. You mommy's girl? Yeah. Yeah. Hi, Axel. Hi, boy. Hi, honey. Hi. Was you up there eating snow? I seen you. Sorry, honey. I didn't mean to get your eyeball. You're a good boy. Yeah. Yeah, you're getting so big. You're getting so big. Look at you. Hi. Hi, honey. I'm a girl. Yeah, hi, honey. Just mama's girl. Yeah. And mama's boy. Yeah. You're ready. Hi, Addie. Hi, girl. Mama's girl. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That's mama's girl. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Love you. Yeah. Hi. 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 You my girl? Yeah. You my girl? Stay right there. Get your treat. Stay right there. Mama get you a treat. Mama get you a treat. Here? You want a box? You want a treat? Yeah. You want a treat, baby? You do. I know you do. I'm coming. There you go. There you go. Here, Ginger. Good girl. Good girl. Here, Addie. Ginger. 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 I got you. I got you. I got you, girl. I got you, girl. Was that good? Was that good? Hi. All right, go play. What are you doing? You're getting so big, girl. You are. You're getting so big. Look at you. I remember when I could barely reach you. Out this little weird window. Hi, honey. Ginger, you're getting so big. Yes, you are. Mama's big girl. Yeah. So big. Hi. Hi. Your birthday's on the 27th. Yeah. Oh, was that a big yawn? Was that a big yawn? Hi, hi. Oh, baby. Oh. That's my girl. That's my girl. Axel, no. Axel, no. Don't eat that. Don't eat that, boy. Don't eat that. It's cold out there. It's cold out there. All right, you two. Aw, you want your turn next. You're like, I need a turn. Mama's hand's getting cold. Mama's hand's getting cold. Mama's hand's getting cold. Aw, how's my boy? How's my boy? Oh, yeah. That's my boy right there. That's my boy. You're getting so big. You're getting so big. Well, hi, Kiki. Are you hungry? comes Kiki. Hi, Kiki. Hi, girl. Hi, boy. Hi, boy. You go get that baby. Go get that baby. Hi. She's like, what are you going to do with me? She's like, I want some too. All right. You guys have a good afternoon.